This is a continuation video to the last one. So we were getting some undefined values, and I did some more call on this one, and looks like the additional outputs that were coming were not actually from the recursion, but rather this update. This update actually happens multiple times, not just once. So it's like all the devices that you have in your Wi-Fi connection, they are broadcasting their details to the network, and that's what this code is trying to listen. So whenever there is an update, it is listening it again. So what I will show, we can comment out this scan. This recursion is not needed. Even without that, we'll be able to get the data.fullname. So I will keep this outside. Even let's remove all these. Just keep this console log. And I think to reduce the lines, what can we do is display the full name next to this address itself. Better I could do it with backticks. Okay. And we'll remove this part as this is not needed. Also make sure to keep your TV unlocked, because while it's locked and unlocked, the events are different, so you might see a different output. So I have unlocked my TV, or I have removed, I'm back in my home page of my TV. So if I run it again, one more thing, see this type is taking a lot of lines, so I'll comment out this as well. So notice initially there were these four events were without any first name, full name. We'll wait for some more seconds. Notice some data is coming now. Some events or update events with the full name part. Again, few more came. We'll wait for some more time. And yeah, while this is running, we can refactor our code a little bit. So notice this name that we are passing in the scan. Same thing we can add here as well. Notice now we got our MITV closed name. Okay, so this way we will be able to identify, and if I output this value also, let me make this small. So this is the name also we want to print. I'll stop it one more time. Let's see this where Googlecast Android remote to Android remote to Googlecast, and it's waiting. And notice I have also added this log in this browser already. This one gets called only once, so this is happening only once. After that, it's a kind of pops up kind of model where it's subscribed to some events that happens in the network, and whenever an event occurs, this update event is emitted, and on emit of that update event, this code runs again and again. Yeah, but instead of doing this way, we can use this other constructor way TCP type, but making without making it dynamic, we can safely take the word Google cast like how it was before. So the event, this will be faster. You can get it in the first instance only. Like if I have to show you, we'll remove the dependency on the type as we are not using it. Even here, these prefixes are not required. Let's remove this first part of log itself. Just log whatever values are coming, and initially just keep this browser initialized this way, and we'll replace with the googlecast one. I'll pause to save the time of the video. I will just resume when those outputs are there. So yeah, now we have got our MITV, and next what we'll do is we'll initialize it with this argument, and we'll compare the output. See, right in the beginning itself, we're able to find it. So if you are just looking for some application related to your MITV, this is a better starting point. And if you want to even listen to all the events, then you can remove this argument and then take a look. Yesterday I noticed one more thing. I created one FTP server in my phone. Let me do it now, and then I will show you how even those events are uh, coming in the update. So I'm going to File Manager Plus in my phone. I think, yeah, this screen you won't be able to see. You can download a File Manager Plus app from Play Store that has option to create an FTP server. In it, there will be an option access from network. In that, you can do a start service. You see, just now I did, and we're able to see this FTP event. So this is how, if you're making some application that requires to discover all the devices that are connected to the Wi-Fi, then you can do it without that argument. If you're just worried about your Android TV thing, then you can just make this change and run it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think no, we just noticed something new. So even I am learning this. So this code that we were running, this was with the Google Cast, and even with the Google Cast, we were able to see other events like these, right? Even FTP came with this Google Cast. The only difference that we noticed this time was we were able to discover our MITV faster compared to a few seconds it took in the first attempt when we didn't pass this argument. So yeah, based on the requirement, the initialization of browser will change. But yeah, once we have gotten the MITV, uh, there will be some other actions we will be taking on it. So yeah, I will explore those steps, and I'll update it continuation of this video. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will share an update when I have something more on this.